सब्सक्राइब करें श्रुति अर्जुन आनंद चैनल को और बेल बटन पे क्लिक करें लेटेस्ट ब्यूटी एंड मेकअप वीडियोस को सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
घोषणा, कितना मस्त हिंदी का वर्ड निकाला है मैंने। इसी बात पे जल्दी से एक लाइक चिपका दो और अगर आपने अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो आज ही घोषणा कर रही हूं मैं कि जल्दी से घोषणा वाला वर्ड जो है दे मारो सब्सक्राइब बटन पे और सब्सक्राइब कर दो जल्दी से। हे गाइस, श्रुति here. So today I am going to review a bunch of Delon bath and body products. So let's get started. Just to add, all the products from Delon are dermatologist tested and they are paraben free as well. First thing first, I have their shampoo and conditioner which is enriched with macadamia oil. Now we all know that how awesome macadamia oil is for our hair, as well as they are paraben free and SLS free as well. And you can easily find them on Nykaa.com. Now, I'm directly going to compare these with the L'Oreal Professional Range shampoos because the content, the texture of the shampoo is kind of very similar. The L'Oreal one is 1700 rupees for 500 ml and this one is 354 ml for only 549 rupees. The texture and shampoo is good. Now, as I directly compare it to the L'Oreal one, there are three great things about this shampoo. Because they have macadamia oil, which is the first point. Second thing is they are SLS and paraben free, and the third point which is great is you are getting more product for less price. Delon also have their organic range of products which are 72% organic. They are paraben free, urea free, no color added, and they are biodegradable as well. So I have their organic conditioner, hair conditioner, and their organic moisturizing lotion over here. So first of all, they both retail for 699 rupees. You're getting 325 ml of this product. The hair conditioner is very comparable to my Organics hair conditioner, but with Delon you're getting actually more product. Now, for the moisturizing lotion, when you apply it, it's very buildable, but it leaves a matte finish on your skin. So if you have oily skin tone and you're searching for a good moisturizing lotion, you should definitely give it a try. Then I got their macadamia oil body wash. This also retails for 549 rupees and it's a huge bottle, so I'm sure you won't be able to finish it very fast. The body wash itself is very moisturizing because it has macadamia oil in it. It is going to leave that a little bit moisturization on your skin even after taking the bath. Then I got their Japanese cherry blossom foaming bubble bath and this is a 1 liter bottle for 649 rupees. Now, I don't have a bathtub, but I think I'm going to give it to Anantya, my niece, because she has a bathtub, so probably she will be able to use it. If you like rich, creamy body lotions, but you do not like the strong smell, you will love this one. This one is cocoa butter skin lotion, and it retails for 549 rupees, and the bottle is 591 ml. The texture of this cream is like a thick body lotion. When you apply it, it blends very easily and it leaves a dewy finish on your skin, as well as it's paraben free. Then I got 4 of their amazing body butters and they retail for 799 rupees each. These are not just the body butters, they are intensely moisturizing body butters. So the first one is a pink grapefruit and lemon grass one, and the second one is acai joji berries. Scent of this body butter is very light, summery and lemonish, but this one is very romantic and like berries. Then I have their cherry blossom fullerete cherries and vanilla body butter. You had already seen this product in my haul video and this smells very romantic, feminine and sweet. The smell is really great. I love it. I had already finished 1 tub of this product and oh my god, I just love this smell. And the vanilla one, I like you, you smell like cake, but oh my god, I'm trying to eat less food these times and to keep myself away from desserts and cakes. But somehow I feel like when I smell like vanilla after applying this, it always reminds me of food, so that's why I try to keep myself away from this one. All the products I'm going to mention in this video are listed in the description box, so don't forget to check them out. Overall, the ingredients of the products and the products itself are really good, but the two which actually stand out are these macadamia oil shampoo and conditioner and the Delon Organic Conditioner. If you are looking for a new good shampoo, you should definitely give them a try because they are paraben free, SLS free and they are great shampoo. So that's it. यहाँ खत्म होता है हमारा आज का वीडियो। और हाँ, मैं इशारा दे रही हूँ कि वीडियो खत्म होने से पहले don't forget to hit on that like button, and if you are new on my channel then don't forget to hit on that subscribe button and the बेल बटन विच इज नियर बाय द सब्सक्राइब बटन, बिकॉज जल्दी से एक चिट्ठी पहुंच जाएगी आपके पास कि खत आया है श्रुति ने एक नया वीडियो अपलोड किया है। तो मैं मिलती हूँ आपसे अपने नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, बाय बाय।
One.